everyone, this is Danielle here for Hip Kit Club, and this is just a quick unboxing video I'm just going to do for you of the new October Hip Kit Club kits. So yeah, I've got the main kit, the embellishment kit, and I've also got the cardstock kit as well. So we'll just do a quick flip through of those bits. And if you want to see the colour kit or the Pocket Life kit, I know Crafty Jen Show has put up a video on the Hip Kit Club feed as well. So if you want to have a look at the whole thing, check out her video too. And this will just be like a speedy one, so I'll just flip through everything real fast for you. Okay, right, great. Okay, and I'll start with the main kit. Okay, so I'll start with the main kit, and I'll start with the sort of embellishments and bits and pieces we've got here. So we've got these gorgeous exclusive die cuts. So these are by Kim and Kimberly, and the range is called Cozy Up, which is really cute. And it's all got like loads and loads of lovely little die cut bits in here, sort of all like sort of autumny and kind of October-y themed. There's some Halloween bits in here too. There's some big nice floral bits. These gorgeous like little jumper. I mean, how cute is that? Little coffee cup there with a little fox on it, which is really sweet. So there's some really cute bits in here. We've got some pumpkins and little cozy up there, which is really sweet. There's I love fall most of all. Look here, hot cocoa, fuzzy socks, a little speech bubble with some hearts. I mean, there's some really sweet bits, little apples and things, and make it in October to remember. It's like a pie. There's some little toadstools in here. So yeah, just some really cute bits. A little blanket there. Sweet stuff. Oh, look at that. That's really cute too. So yeah, I mean, there's just some lovely bits. So really cute little combo in there, and they're nice thick quality as well actually. Sometimes when you get die cuts they're a little bit flimsy, but these are really nice. So yeah, good quality cardstock they're all printed on. These are also this is more sort of die cuts. So these are vellum die cuts from the Pretty Little Studios Indian Summer, which is by Kim Watson, and these are all little leaves here. So I'll just get these out. They're vellum, but they're a little bit thicker than sort of usual. So I mean, they are see-through, but sort of not so much so that you couldn't, you know, layer these on top of one another so and get a really nice effect. So yeah, a really cute, little bunch of these. Some of these ones with like sort of almost like a skeleton of a leaf, and then some sort of chunkier ones. Really lovely colours. They all go really nicely with, well, this is Pretty Little Studios paper, and it goes really lovely with it. You know, you can see the colours match perfectly, so really sweet. And some of them have got this little sort of fake stitching almost line across the centre, which is really nice. You could bend that up, you could follow that as a guideline and stitch along it. You know, so really cute. Nice little collection of little vellum leaves there. So yeah, really lovely. And then we've got these are Cozy Up as well. So this is more sort of Hip Kit Club exclusives. Really cute little puffy phrase stickers here. So we've got sort of memories, happy, favourite. We've got a trick or treat down here. Weather, story, colourful, sweater. And then more on the other side, we've got sort of leaves, sweet, splendid, that's really cute, Halloween, laughter. So yeah, a really nice little mix of sweet words there, nice colours as well, very complimentary for all the papers in this kit, because all sort of purples, there's this kind of mustard yellow, you know, kind of reds and oranges, real kind of fall colours. So yeah, really nice nice colours and nice words there. We've got these black puffy alpha stickers as well, also from Cozy Up, which are really nice, simple font, a big font as well, so they'll just go really nice for all your titles on everything that you're going to be working on this month. And we've got a few little extra little bits and pieces, question marks, exclamation marks, you know. So yeah, really nice, simple and good colour alpha that'll just, you know, go with everything. So a nice base, you know, to work with. these are gorgeous. These are chipboard die cuts, and they're so sweet. This is from Cozy Up as well. We've got a real cute little mix in here. We've got a little pumpkin spice, some little trees, lovely little florals, some really cute little words and things like happy fall, autumn, everything nice, you know, really sweet. Okay, but first coffee. So that'd be really cute with your little coffee cup there. I mean, they're really sweet. So there's some really cute little bits in here, and then we've got a reverse side. We've got a little owl, which is really lovely. A little fox here. You know, home is where the heart is. Just some really sweet little bits and pieces. Another little coffee cup there, or like hot chocolate really, because it's got little marshmallows. That's really sweet. So yeah, really cute little mix there. So really some really pretty bits and pieces, and again, like the chipboard's really nice to work with because it does, you know, you get that kind of little 3D element. So yeah, really cute. So I'll just pop these bits over here, and then I'll go to the papers. So we've got this Pretty Little Studios Harvest Moon, which is really sweet, really lovely piece of paper to work with there. You know, your cup run off over if you want to put something really lovely in the centre here with your photos and things. That's really sweet, and all the hard work's been done for you with any layering. The other side's really cute as well. This is kind of like brushed kind of different colours, but in this kind of what is that really? Diamond? Yeah, maybe shapes. But yeah, you know, really cute little pattern there with this lovely branding strip. So really, really pretty. That's a really cute one. Whoops, we've got a bigger bit of this. This is that comfy sweater, which you kind of have been seeing for a while on the packaging for everything from the Indian Summer range. So this is a whole sheet of it here. So how lovely is that? It's a really cute plaid. Whoops, and on the reverse, we've got this really nice orange polka dots with the kind of little centres missing. So yeah, really sweet. Great for sort of Halloween, you know, your pumpkin pictures, things like that. It's a really lovely colour. We've got this one, which is Indian Summer as well, which is November Afternoon. Really cute with like the black kind of paint splashes all over it. So again, would work well with your black puffy alphas there for a title. And again, you know, the mixed media kind of hard work's been done for you if you're not great with mixed media like I'm not. You know, these are brilliant because it's kind of, you know, tricking people into thinking that you know what you're doing with paint. So that's a really sweet one. Lovely colours as well, very complementary colours. And on the reverse, we've got this really cute irregular kind of polka dot, which is lovely. I'm obsessed with this already, so yeah, I'm definitely going to be using that. I love polka dots. Whoops, and we've got another one here. This is comfy sweater. Comfy sweater? Is that one comfy sweater? Yeah. Ah, okay. This is really cute. This is like reds and pinks and orange there as well. Some little white paint splashes. So that's really sweet. Oops. And on the reverse, we've got another lovely branding strip here with leaves on it, and then these really cute little words and phrases here. So we've got sort of I can smell autumn dancing in the breeze, dreaming of things to come, cinnamon, you know, like fuzzy socks. There's some really squirrels, you know, there's some really cute little words and things in here. So it's a really sweet piece of paper to work with. You know, really lovely. I'm chopping up little bits of this, you know, you could make a little journaling card out of this stuff. So yeah, really sweet. That's a really nice paper there. Whoops, then we've got this one, which is Pink Fresh. This is from Just a Little Lovely range, which is really sweet. And again, very mixed media-y, you know, with all the kind of paint dripping down and everything. And then we've got these lovely little tags at the top, which have got cute little words on, like enjoy today, seek, flourish, bloom. So yeah, really pretty paper. And the reverse is stunning, which is this kind of beautiful kind of turquoise into kind of lovely green there, like apple green. Really pretty. It kind of won't come up and do quite as much justice to how it looks in real life, but this is a really lovely sheet of paper there. So yeah, really nice one. Whoops, this is Amy Tangerine, I believe. Yeah, Slice of Life. So we've got this kind of crazy, it's called the Universe, and it really does look mad. It's like a galaxy kind of thing, and it's got those little bits of yellows and reds and blues in it. A real sweet paper there. And then this is just gorgeous. This is totally my cup of tea. So yeah, lovely chevron here and all these beautiful colours that you could just chop out bits of. So yeah, that's a really gorgeous sheet of paper there. Really nice. Oops, and then we've got some more Truly Grateful bits. Let's split these around. So we've got 23, this is, which is really lovely, pinks and purples and oranges in there, a little bit of yellow, some really cute little leaves there, very sweet. And on the reverse we've got the kind of candy stripe of the same sort of colours, just kind of blending in there, so a little kind of like an ombre-esque sort of piece of paper. So yeah, really lovely, nice hot pink there too, haha. We've got this one, which is 22 from Truly Grateful. Really cute little leaves here. You could fussy cut these little guys out. I mean, it'd be quite time consuming, but definitely worth it. They're really, really sweet. And they kind of shrink up here at the top to being a lot smaller. So yeah, that's a really cute piece of paper there. Lovely colours. Whoops, and on the reverse we've got this gorgeous frames here that you could either, you could use the whole sheet as your 12 by 12 and you could pop your photos on some, put die cuts on the others. You could do some stitching work here, so yeah, I mean, or you could just fussy cut out individual frames for what you want to use. So a really lovely sheet there with some lots of possibilities. Whoops, we've got this one, which is Truly Grateful. This is number 4. Really, really beautiful pale pink with these lovely hot pink flowers with some yellows and oranges in there too, and these white stars. So yeah, really beautiful, beautiful sheet there, lovely colours. Oh wow, and this one, which is a really kind of lovely plum kind of purple with this hot pink on top and this kind of fan layout. That's really lovely. Yeah, I really like that one. That's that really jazzy. So that's sweet. This one, which is Truly Grateful, number 7, and is these, I've seen this quite a few times popping up on Instagram and things in people's scraps. It's a really lovely sheet of paper with beautiful little trees. Then we've got some chickens floating around in there, little squirrels, little bunnies. So yeah, really sweet, sweet, sweet piece of paper, and everyone's going to be fussy cutting that like crazy. And then the reverse is the same sort of colours of the trees there. We've got this kind of beautiful bottle green, this hot pink, a kind of browny plum, and then this yellowy orange here, which is really nice. So yeah, really gorgeous mix of papers, really pretty mix. So okay, so that's the main kit. And then I'll do the, this is the embellishment kit, so I'll just go through this quick so you can kind of see what's in here, okay? Okay, and this is the embellishment kit. So I've just pulled out the, we've got some acetate die cuts here, so I just pulled these out of the packaging as well. So this is from Cozy Up as well. And we've got a really cute mix of little acetate leaves, we've got some flowers, and we've got some pumpkins, and what else have we got? Little acorns and some apples. So yeah, real cute little mix of acetate bits and bobs in here. So just sort of fling a couple on a white surface for you to kind of see. So yeah, we've got these are really cute little pairs. I mean, they're really sweet. There's a lovely little mix in here too of some really, whoops, lovely little bits and bobs. So, whoops, oh, that's nice. Yeah, so very sweet. Got a pumpkin. The cat coming in. She can hear the sound of plastic being moved around, which is her favourite thing. Oops. And yeah, so yeah, some really cute bits. Hello, you. So yes, very sweet, nice mix of colours as well. So that'll go really lovely with all the papers. So pretty bits. What are you up to, madam? She's finding my plastic packaging. Leave it alone. Whoops, there we go. Okay, test. We got these lovely thicker stickers here. So these are called Simplicity, and they're a really lovely little puffy gold colour as well, with this kind of scripty font. So that's really lovely. We've got kind of little bits and pieces down here as well, which is really lovely. So, and some numbers too. So that's a really nice alpha there. So that's really lovely. Careful, jumping up on the window ledge. These are from Cozy Up as well. This is really sweet. These are some lovely little cardstock stickers here. So we've got this lovely sweater weather and this cute sweater here. Hello Fall, some little acorns, flowers, a little harvest time there, which is really lovely. Oops. We've got a little Halloween jumper here, which is really sweet. Some boots and scarves, stay cozy. A little cat and some wellies, a little thank you. So yeah, really lovely little mix of cute little florals, some hearts, some leaves and some, yeah, just lovely little bits and pieces on there. So really nice to complement your photos for your sort of fall photos. We've also got this exclusive stamp set here, which is Hip Kit Club exclusive. We've got this little stitched heart, which is really sweet. We've got a little apple here with this kind of floral working inside of it. A little You're the Best. Grateful for You. Beautiful Autumn. There's a tiny little Happy Days there, which is really lovely. And this gorgeous leaf. So yeah, some really pretty little bits and pieces in here. So a really nice little stamp set. So I think you could do some really lovely bits with this one in particular and that leaf. So yeah, really cute little stamp set. And then we've also got this little, this is from My Mind's Eye, and it's called My Heritage. So some little enamel dots here. So we've got some this sort of black. Oh, it's black, yeah, it's pretty dark. So yeah, black here. This kind of, I suppose it's kind of like a deep kind of reddy orange, which is really nice. This kind of mustard yellow, a very dark teal here. And then I guess that's their sort of black as well. They're really dark, so yeah, really lovely though. So yeah, a nice mix of hearts and enamel dot sizes here. So a really cute little mix. So yeah, so that's the embellishment kit there, which is really nice. So that's all great. And then what I'll just do quickly is just zip through the cardstock for you, so you can kind of see the colours we've got going on there too. Okay, great. Okay, and here we go. This is the cardstock kit here. So we've got some gorgeous colours in here. As you can see, they kind of all flow really nicely and blend in really lovely with the papers we've got and with all the embellishments as well. So it's a really gorgeous kind of fall-y autumn colour palette. So it's all basil, and we've got this one here, which is called Typhoon, which is this lovely deep kind of navy blue. We've got this lovely mustard yellow. I'm a real big fan of sort of mustard yellows. This is called Yukon Gold. That's really lovely. We've all got this kind of textured finish on one side and then a slightly more smoother finish on the other as well. So you can kind of, depending on what you want to do, if you want some texture or not, you know, you can kind of pick your side. This one's called Flamingo, which is really lovely. Kind of rosy, pinky red there. So that's really lovely colour. Whoops, we've got a nice white sheet here. So this is called Avalanche, and that's a really nice shade of white actually. So that's really lovely. Whoops. We've got this gorgeous sort of purple here, which is called Heidi, which is a really lovely colour. That's really pretty actually. Do you like that? Very nice. We've got this teal here, which is called Rain, which is really beautiful. Again, that's a really deep colour. So they're really rich colours, really nice. Whoops. And then finally we've got this one here, it's called Velvet, which is a real kind of proper plum kind of purple. So yeah, a really lovely mix of colours there. So yeah, really great. So we're going to have a lot of fun with this kit, I think. So yeah, if you haven't ordered your kits already, I would say hop on over to Hip Kit Club's website and check out the October kits. And if you're waiting for it to come in the post, then hopefully this will just tide you over until it turns up for you. Okay, and I'll leave it there. So I just want to keep this one a little quick one for you all. So I hope you're all well, and I'll be back again soon with a process video or another sort of unboxing or something soon. Okay, until then, take care and happy scrapping, guys. Okay, bye.